This is my 2024 gaming and streaming setup tour. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys think I should add anything to my setup, just let me know. My keyboard is the Dario EK75 Pro. I will be getting another keyboard, so stay tuned for the unboxing video. My mouse is the Red Dragon M910K. I really love the weight of it and it fits in my hand perfectly. My mic is the JLab Talk Go. My headset are the Astro A10s. I also have an Elgato face cam and a 15 key stream deck. I use this for changing scenes on stream, checking chat, and talking in Discord. I have a PS5 controller for my PC. And another controller for my PS5. My first monitor is for the PS5 and it's 75 Hz. My second monitor is for my PC. This is where I show everything that I do on stream and play my games. My third monitor is for OBS, chat, and Discord. And my Discord and Twitch will be in the description. I would really appreciate it if you go drop a follow on Twitch and join the Discord. And for the PC, I have a Ryzen 5 3600 and an RTX 4060 Ti. I will be making a video on my dream setup for content creation, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.